How to get emojis in Monopoly Go. Gaming tips. So first, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application, and this is what it looks like. Now, what you want to do is go to these three lines at the top right corner, and then here you will see features like shop, network, my showroom, and so on. All you have to do is to tap this my showroom, and then here you will see your tokens collection, shields, and emojis. And once you go to emojis, you should see this one here. This is your current emoji. Now the question is how to unlock or get other emojis or different types of emojis here in Monopoly Go. Well, what you want to do is simply go back to Monopoly Go and participate to any events and activities. Much like most of the Monopoly Go items, these emojis may only be obtained by taking part in any various activities and events. Emojis are distributed throughout the pool of rewards. Keep a lookout for new events as they are released, as not all of them will guarantee an emoji as a reward, so you must be careful with that. As you can see here, this is an example of event where you can get these rewards or unlock these rewards, and one of this is this emoji. And that's it. You just have to participate to any activities and events. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.